Sagittarius, Namaste. Welcome to your January 2022 third week reading. Yes, dears, I'm back with my weekly schedule now. So, I'm so happy to bring your third week reading for the month of January 2022. How are you, Sagittarius? You've been having some tough love kind of messages lately. So, I hope and pray that you get some uplifting messages today, okay? You deserve it, Sagittarius. You've been through a ringer. I hope you're all fine wherever you are. Stay safe and stay healthy, my dears. This is a general reading, so take what resonates with you only, okay? Always watch your sun, moon, rising sign videos to receive different messages in each of those readings, okay? I'm available for my personal readings now, so in case you're interested, you'll find my contact details in the description box below the video. You'll also find a link to my website where you'll find links to my social media, my Facebook and my Instagram. I welcome you all there, okay? Let's get your final card on the board and we are ready to roll. Okay. I'm getting a very relaxed energy, which is so nice. I'm so happy for you as I'm shuffling your cards. Let's see what your cards say. But I get a very nice peace within you kind of a energy. Love it for you. So Sagittarius, your January 3rd week reading for you. And this is a new moon in Virgo. Beautiful and excuse me. This is new moon is all about new beginnings because there is an ending that has happened, a phase that has ended, a cycle that has ended, and this is about new beginnings, new cycle, new phases, new life. This is a new year. I love it for you. And so this is and being Virgo, which is an earth element, earth energy, so this is talking about a new life where you will see things in tangible form in your reality, not just as messages coming to you that everything will be okay, but I see this happening. Okay, that is the kind of energy I get. A time to give rather than take. Okay, lovely. This primarily is about you giving to yourself. I did mention earlier that you've been through a ringer, okay? You've been through a very turbulent, emotionally turbulent phase where you had to make some tough decisions for yourself. And things, these decisions were not easy on you and it was not easy on the other people concerned. And we saw how you had to make this decision, express it and wait for the result. Okay, so yes, it is going to be a win-win for all as we saw, but this also means now it is time for you to take some time off for yourself. Take a day off, please take a day off the moment you hear this reading, okay? Because pamper yourself, go to the salon, go to the spa, take a massage, take a head massage, whatever is possible in your city location, okay, due to the restrictions. Go for a movie, treat yourself to some good meal, go buy yourself something nice or go for a walk in the nature. Watch a nice comedy movie, just take it easy, okay? Get some peace and R&R as we say. Lovely. Temperance. This is your card, Sagittarius. This is a Sagittarius card which is all about balancing. See, we have the divine masculine within us and the divine feminine within us. So this is Shiva and Shakti card, okay? Now, this is about the masculine within us, the energy which is always about go, dreams, aspirations, going after it, fire, passion, doing things. And the feminine aspect within us is the nurturing, the loving, the receiving, okay? So you are now you have to balance. You've done a lot of the masculine work, okay? Now you have to be in the receiving energy. You've put all the hard work that you had to. Now it's time for you to just nurture yourself, relax, and give yourself the love and affection that you deserve, okay? Love it, love it, love it for you. And the temple path, love it. For all those of you, 2-3 messages here. For all those of you who are on a spiritual journey, who are into understanding why am I born here, okay, you may have just started or you may be well on this journey. Understand that the divine is supporting your journey and is going to give you steps to lead you further into your awakening, okay? So this may be plus the second message is for a few of you who are highly connected with the divine, who are well ahead in your awakening and spiritual journey. Be minded, especially during this time, you are going to see a lot of orbs in photographs, or you're watching a commercial and you'll see some orbs there in the movie. So just things out of the blue where you'll start noticing orbs. This is the divine at that moment speaking to you, guiding you, downloading you with a lot of guidance. So be aware of your thoughts during that time. And for the others of you, this is regarding how hard you have worked, and now you're going to rise further. So you are going to find success, be it in job, career, finances, relationships, familyships, friendships. You're going to be now going higher. So you may find a deep connection with somebody special, with friends, with familyships. So that is what I see for you. And I love that. I love that. You deserve it. Beautiful. We did talk about some major completions as you have a new beginning, new moon card. And the world card is all about completions. Now there is another side message here. For those of you who are abroad and are wanting to come back home, it will be possible in about 29 weeks from now. Okay, due to the restrictions and all. So about roughly 25 to 29 weeks, you will find yourself going back home. For the others of you, those who are wanting to go abroad, that is also possible between 25 to 29 weeks from now. Beautiful. And for the others of you, you've completed a cycle which was not easy, as I already told you, and now you're at the edge of it, you're almost out of it, and a new beginning is right in front of you. Everything you'll find in this life, in this new life, is going to be beautiful, is going to be different from what you have experienced. So there is more money, more success, more love, more affection, more peace of mind, better health. Wow, love it for you, Sagittarius. Yes, you're coming out of this aloneness, this loneliness feeling, okay? You felt alone. Some of you were stuck in a position and you did not know what to do. It could be due to the decision that you had to take. But it was a feeling of being lonely, of being alone, not having any proper relationships, not having anybody to talk to, an orphaned kind of a feeling. But you're coming out of this, okay, because this is right under the temperance card, which is you're tempering your emotions, and now you found your balance. You will be guided towards your success, and future will be bright. Beautiful, beautiful, lovely. Can you see these two cards? This person is sitting in the dark. There is a dark energy and very little light, that the person is having, almost it's bent down, feeling very low and sad. Can you see the small energy walking towards the light? Yes, there is darkness, but now there is a rainbow, there is light, and it's shining behind him, leading this baby forward. So this new beginning, this represents you. This is the new life, and you're a baby starting out into a brand new chapter of your life. And the card says adventure. Sagittarius are very, very adventurous. You're very passionate. You're full of life. You love to travel. You love to try out different things. And all that is now going to be possible because steps will be given to you into this beautiful new adventure, which is your new beginning. Love it for you, Sagittarius. I'm going to leave you with one final card from this beautiful light of Keepers of the Light Oracle and see what message they have for you to end your reading. Oh, Hilarion has come up even in Libra reading, sorry, Scorpio reading. Oh, well, no, Libra reading. Hilarion and divine healing, yes. The healing is coming to you in all areas of your life where you've been troubled. You just have to allow things to happen. Give yourself a break. Show yourself a lot of love and affection that you deserve, as you will are now going to be led into this beautiful new life full of adventure and happiness and joy. Divine healing, definitely. Honor your sensitivity. Retreat, which I mentioned. Retreat to recharge and heal. You deserve that. Definitely, please take a day off if you can't take more than a day off. I would definitely say take 2 days off, but at least a day off. Your light can support others, yes, because now you see you are the light. You are becoming more aware, becoming lighter, as becoming more peaceful, and that is going to help all the people around you also. Those people whom you care about and who care about you are also going to be very happy to see you becoming lighter. I loved this reading for you, Sagittarius. If you enjoyed it, claim it in the comment section. Give a thumbs up to my video and definitely subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon, Sagittarius. Namaste.